Should I pay the bills of the person that just died? Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and following the death of an individual, a decision needs to be made whether you should pay any of the bills of that person that died. And the assessment of whether you have any liability or obligation to pay that bill is what we're going to discuss. First, are you a co-obligor? Did you sign, for example, as an obligor or as a co-guarantor on the credit card or the medical bill or some other bill? Because if you're a co-obligor, upon the death of the one person, even if they were the primary payer of that bill, the creditor is going to look to you to pay. And you sure should pay that bill or it will affect your credit. The next thing to consider is whether the debt is attached to something that is really important. For example, what happens if the person that died was the person that was paying the mortgage payment, the taxes on the property, the lights, the gas, the electricity? Upon the death of that individual, those bills don't take a pause. There's no stay of payment. The obligation to pay continues. And if you don't pay it, the mortgage could go into default, the taxes could go into forfeiture, the lights could get turned off, the gas could get turned off, and the electricity could put you in the dark. So those are circumstances where it may be very important to continue to pay the debts of the person that died. Generally speaking, though, you are under no personal liability unless you are a co-obligor or you open up the probate estate and there are going to be assets that are administered in probate. There'd be no obligation to pay the bills of the person that died. If there is a probate administration, working with your skilled, competent probate practitioner will determine whether it's necessary to pay the bill of that individual or not. There is extensive rules around the obligation of a personal representative to give notice to creditors and whether a creditor is going to get paid through the probate estate. Generally speaking, you have no individual liability relating to the person that died's medical bills, credit card bills, or other bills that are out there. The only time that you should be considering this is whether they're important to pay because it's going to affect your life, whether you're a co-obligor, or whether there's probate that's going to be needed. If you've got more questions about probate-related issues, visit us at theprobatepro.com or call us at 833-PROBATE.